Hey guys, it's Jason and welcome back to Telefonica Talks. So JBL has a reputation for making awesome audio products, and in this video, we're going to take a look at one of them, the JBL Tune 760NC wireless headphones. Here's everything you need to know about this headphone. Let's start with the unboxing. In the box is the headphone itself, a 3.5mm headphone cable, a USB Type-C cable, and some paperwork. The JBL Tune 760NC are on-the-ear headphones with a simple design that actually look premium. It is made from matte plastic, which is pretty solid and has faux leather padding on the headband and the ear caps. They come in three different colors, white, blue, and black, and that's the color I have here. On the bottom side of the headphones are useful buttons like the volume keys, noise cancellation button, a 2.5mm headphone jack, and a power button. The buttons are nice, clicky, and responsive. There's even a chime when the headphones are powered on and a chime that indicates when you've reached the maximum volume. They are decently comfortable on the head, lightweight, and the headbands feel comfortable as well. Unfortunately, they clamp a bit too tightly on your head, which could feel uncomfortable during long listening sessions. When I tested the JBL Tune 760NC wireless headphones, I noticed the slight bass heavy sound profile that it had, which may be good news to some people. The rest of its range seemed pretty neutral, so lead instruments and vocals were still clearly reproduced. Generally, audio is impressive. These headphones definitely have excellent bass accuracy. However, I noticed that its bass delivery was not consistent throughout. That being said, your experience might be different from mine. When it comes to its mid accuracy, it was simply amazing. Its range was superbly neutral and balanced. These headphones definitely have good treble accuracy, while its range was quite balanced. Everything was clear and bright. My listening experience was fairly good. For the active noise cancellation feature, I would say it has okay isolation performance. It was able to block out mid-range sounds such as high-pitched noises and ambient chatter. However, when it came to loud sounds like moving tracks, I could still hear a bit of that. Honestly speaking, the headphone is good and sounds incredible for its price. The JBL Tune 670NC comes with Bluetooth 5.0. The experience was outstanding. I was able to pair these with two other devices simultaneously, and I didn't experience any issues during the process. This is extremely handy since I often switch between audio sources. Battery life has pretty much been amazing. You can go a whole day on this headphone and will still have some juice left for the next day. When ANC mode is on, you enjoy up to 44 hours of battery life, and with ANC off, up to 70 hours of battery life according to JBL. Also, you can get this to charge fully to 100% in under 2 hours. If wired connection is your thing, you can enjoy the use of the 3.5mm cable that comes in the box to connect your phone to the headphone. The JBL Tune 760NC is a great pair of wireless headphones that deliver neutral sounding audio. Its sound profile is slightly bass heavy, which adds a punch and a thump to music without overpowering vocals and lead instruments. If you're looking for something affordable and high quality, this headphone is something you should actually consider. The JBL Tune 760NC is available across all Telefonica stores nationwide and can be purchased online as well. Let me know what you think about this guy down in the comment section. I go by the name Jason, and I'll catch you in another one. Peace out.